anything to support these kids is why I'm here.
Hey, we recognize that guy. An Opioid Youth Summit is helping to warn students about the dangers of fentanyl and other drugs. How officials are spreading the word tops 2 News Nevada at 5:30. The Drug Enforcement Administration says it's working on doing more prevention work like this all across the country. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. I'm Ryan Kennedy.
And I'm Alexandra Ray, and for Kristen tonight. Thank you for keeping it here at 5:30. Now, there were more than 700 middle school and high school students from Douglas and Washoe Counties at the summit. Jaden Urban joins us live in the studio after attending himself. So, Jaden, how big of an issue is this in our community?
Well, the DEA says that this is an issue across the entire country. Washoe County says that they've had incidences of students overdosing on campus and kids being caught with drugs, which is why they think summits like these are crucial to trying to put a stop to it. Today's Opioid Youth Summit did provide some fun with a live DJ, swag bags, and prizes. But warning kids the dangers about using drugs was the central thesis to all of it.
It's very sad what it's doing to the youth.
The summit is a part of the DEA's One Pill Can Kill campaign, a national effort to educate students and parents to raise awareness. Washoe County School District says this is an issue they are working to address.
We know that what's in our community comes into our schools.
Loudon says that this issue can spread through all grades. Elementary school kids could be exposed to relatives who are struggling with addiction. And she says middle and high school students can have easy access to these drugs.
What we're finding is that students are obtaining it from friends who are getting it from others, or they understand where to get it online.
Loudon says that she's hoping that kids having this information in advance will help them think twice before taking a drug, and to also spread the word to their classmates. There was one special guest that had the kids screaming for joy. Renner shared to the students the experience he had with opioids during his recovery.
The most difficult thing I had to endure through all the accident and coming back from the recovery of dying was to get off those drugs that made me not feel pain.
Renner said he had extreme withdrawals from the drugs that left him shivering and crying for 3 days. But he said he feels talking about these issues with the kids is super important.
Maybe there's some entertainment sort of qualities to this thing, but if there's information that these kids can get, I think that is key. That is clutch.
The DEA says having someone with influence like Renner's goes a long way when speaking to the students. They say they are putting more emphasis on prevention to help tackle this fentanyl issue. Covering the story, Jaden Urban, 2 News Nevada.